Genuine Instant Pot Pressure Cooker Accessory. Dishwasher safe, perfect for slow cooking, rice cooking. The package length of the product is 10.0 inches. The package width of the product is 10.0 inches. The package height of the product is 6.75 inches. Included components. Instant Pot stainless steel inner cooking pot with handle 6 quart. Note: Duo Evo series inner pot, can only be used in the Duo Evo Plus pressure cookers. Genuine Instant Pot Pressure Cooker Accessory. Dishwasher safe, perfect for slow cooking, rice cooking. Top reviews from the United States. Versatile. It's always great to have an extra insert, especially if you are making back-to-back dishes, but this really was an added bonus. Why? Because it works wonderfully on my gas cooktop as a standalone pot. Yes, you read that right. If you read the Instant Pot manual, it says it can be used on your cooktop directly and not just in the Instant Pot. I needed to buy a large pot to make a specific recipe, not an Instant Pot recipe, so I decided to buy this to get 2 birds with 1 stone. It works great. I was fearful the handles would get too hot or melt off, but this has not been an issue. Really great way to have a large cooking pot that acts as an Instant Pot insert backup. I bought the glass lid for it as well, perfect.